In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of transferring TRON from your OKX account to your Tonkeeper wallet. Whether you are a beginner or have some experience, this step-by-step guide will ensure a smooth transition. Let's dive in. Step 1. Prepare your account. First, make sure you have both your OKX and Tonkeeper accounts set up and ready to go. If you have not done this yet, download the Tonkeeper app from your app store and create your wallet. Step 2. Swap TRON for USDT. Since TRON isn't directly tradable on Binance, you will need to swap it for the USDT first. Here's how. Open the Tonkeeper app, select the swap option. Choose TRON or TRX as the coin you want to swap and USDT as the coin you want to receive. Enter the amount of TRON you wish to swap and confirm the transaction. Step 3. Get your USDT deposit address. Now that you have USDT, it's time to transfer it to your Tonkeeper wallet. Open the OKX app, navigate to Assets, then go to Deposit, then go to On-Chain Deposit, and then select USDT. Select the appropriate network for USDT like TRC20 for faster transaction. Copy the USDT deposit address which displayed. Step 4. Transfer USDT to Tonkeeper. Return to your Tonkeeper app, then tap Send. After that, paste the USDT deposit address from OKX into the required field. Don't forget to enter the memo if prompt. This is crucial for ensuring your funds are correctly allocated. Specify the amount of USDT you want to send and confirm the transaction. And that's it. You have successfully transferred TRON from OKX to your Tonkeeper wallet by swapping it for USDT first. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. If you have any question or need further assistance, drop a comment below and we will be happy to help. Thanks for watching and happy trading.